Hi everyone, I hope you're well. In this video, what I wanted to do actually was show you around a recent renovation and refurb that I've just done of my one-bedroom flat. Now this flat was an absolute mess. It had no kitchen, no bathroom, no anything. And I'll leave some pictures and I'll show you some pictures of what it looked like before the renovation. But now the renovation is done, yay! Finally I've finished, it's all done. And so I wanted to show you around because I'm actually putting it up for sale. So if you know anybody that might be interested, let me know. It's actually up for sale as we speak. So yeah, I just thought I would show you around because it's been interesting for me, because as I was doing the renovation I actually started to think, oh, this is the kind of thing I want to create for the women's home. So with the women's home, what I'm actually going to be doing is converting the whole buildings into apartments. And yeah, as I was working through this refurb, I was like, oh, this will be the kind of thing I would like for the women to come to and just be able to relax and chill and just, you know, help them get their lives you know, back together again. So yeah, so I wanted to show you what I've been up to over the last few weeks. It's been a little bit stressful. It's been a lot to do here because it needed new everything, but I'm finally done. So let me show you around the flat. Okay, so come on in. Now you have to excuse the mess over on this side. I've got boxes going on over here, but as you can see, I've got my lovely plant there. And so this is the hallway, and I've got my little images up here. And this is the hallway, and I will take you into the bedroom first of all. So as I said, there's only one bedroom. So this is a one-bedroom flat, but it's a really good sized bedroom. So you have a double bed there, plenty of space on both sides there, and over here you've got a you know, a little vanity desk and chair there for makeup. All the doors are new in here, so you've got plenty of storage there, plenty of fitted wardrobes there. And if we spin around this way, so you can see it this way, so there's room there for chest of drawers. And actually my favorite part of this house is the flooring. I just totally love this flooring. It's just so lovely. So that's the bedroom, and we carry on, and then we have here storage. So there's a storage cupboard here. I won't show you inside because it's just full. But then we go into the living room, and this is the living room. So as you can see, furnished very tastefully, I like to think. So yeah, so you've got the 2 3-seater sofas that fit in really easily in here. Can even go a little bit bigger if you wanted to, but you've got a unit on that wall there. You've even got a desk on that side in that little corner there. Yeah, I wanted to create just like a working space in here also. So there's a desk there with the printer. You've got a unit there, and again, of course, my plants. And you've got like a coffee table, square coffee table in the middle of, again, the lovely flooring. I love this flooring. And then let me just take you around this side, as you can see. Sleeping there, but just spinning it round this side, so you've got another unit there with the TV on as well. So quite a spacious room, I think. You know, let me come back a little bit so you can see a little bit more. So you've easily got like I say, two 2-seater sofas, coffee table, 2 units, blinds on the windows. A little bit hard to see, but there's blinds on the windows there. I love my little shades, my lamp shades there from Dunelm, but blinds on all the windows. So yeah, so that is the living room area. And if we carry on back through here, so that's a view of the hallway from here, and then let's go here, and you've got storage just in there with the immersion and everything in there. And then we've got the kitchen here. So as you can see, it's a galley style kitchen. I didn't bother putting units on this right hand wall just to make sure there's enough space to be able to move, because I think there's more than enough units here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you know, cupboard spaces there on the wall. So I've got a tall freestanding fridge freezer unit there, and then we have sink with unit under there, washing machine, brand new oven and hob and extractor, and that is pretty much it really in here. Again, blinds in here, and then I've just got this little unit here kind of thing. It's console table that I've just put the microwave on there, and that's pretty much it in here. So everything is new, worktops and everything, they are all new. So everything is pretty much new in this flat. This is what it looks like from this end. And yeah, I think it's a really good sized kitchen for 1 or 2 people. There is more than enough storage space in here, honestly. As it is a 1-bedroom flat, I don't think you need really any more than that. And so if we carry on through here, we end up in the bathroom. And again, everything new in here. So new towel rail there, new bath and new shower. Everything is new in here. So you've got new toilet and everything, all the units. Hello me. But you've got all the units and everything in here. The flooring is all new as well. So complete new bathroom also. So that is the bathroom. And so that is pretty much it. I think what I like as well is that the rooms all span off of this hallway area here. So you've got a nice little hallway area. And yeah, and I think it's a really nice flat. So if you're interested, if you know anyone that might be interested, then yeah, let me know, contact me, send me a message. It's up for sale. And also what I was thinking as I was kind of refurbing this flat is that this is kind of the thing I'm trying to create for the women's home. So I feel like I've kind of created the show home or the kind of blueprint for the style of the women's home that I'm trying to create. The flats that I'm creating for that, the women would love it. You know, if they had something like this to come to be able to, you know, get better and to spend some time just, you know, overcoming whatever the challenges may be that they are facing. I think that this would be a really nice space for them. So yeah, I'm really glad I've done it. It's really helped to kind of like cement the vision of what I'm trying to do for the women's home as well.